It's amazing that you have this library with Steve and Insoo.
Yeah.
I imagine it could be on different places in the world, this kind of libraries, but they are not really accessed, or we don't know about them so much.
It's confidentiality.
Yeah.
That's the simple problem. How does one use? I mean, it's just really, really awkward to find a way to make them available to people. The only way I can think of is what I'm doing at the moment is working on transcripts sufficiently disguised that people will be able to see what Steve and Insoo said, and the clients will be suitably disguised. But it's a tough one because it's not the same. I know, as actually seeing the work, and it's very hard. You know, I've tried for years to get work of John Weekland, for example, and it's very hard for the same reasons. They had quite rightly, quite careful confidentiality guarantees for clients. And so to start saying, let's make it available to an organisation over here or over there, it's for students, yes, but there are real people, clients involved, and we never secured the permission. So I think the future of those tapes is not guaranteed because we can't hold on to them. You know, they're private material. Very difficult. When I say we can't hold on to them, I mean they would have to be ultimately destroyed.
Yeah.
What was so wonderful about Steve's writings, and particularly his last sole-authored book, The Words Originally Magic, those transcripts are extraordinary. And I don't think you need to see the video.
So you would prefer the transcripts, actually, because it makes it more authentic.
And you can study it and read it and think about it and what was being said there, and not be put off by facials and non-verbals and what have you. And let's face it, Steve famously was very strange socially when he interacted, especially with clients, not doing eye contact and things like that. And I think therefore sometimes it doesn't do solution focus a very good service to show Steve's work, because people get so preoccupied by what he looks like and how he's asking his questions and where his eyes are, and I just think that's all irrelevant. That the world of counselling and coaching is bedeviled by people obsessed with non-verbal communication. They're fascinated by how they look, what the tone of voice, and the this, that, and the other. And the Chaser wasn't particularly interested in all that, and I think transcripts help me to really look and focus on what's the interaction, what's being said. I know non-verbal is not communication, but people pick up the wrong things, I'm afraid. What's wrong things from my point of view.